Have you ever heard of the stock market? Have you ever seen numbers like this on the news and wondered what they mean? Those numbers represent the stock prices of thousands of different companies, and they are a way to measure how well each of these companies is doing every single day. So now you may be wondering, what is a stock? When you buy stock, you are actually buying a small piece or share of that company. Owning shares of a company not only gives you the chance to make money if that company does well, but it gives you a vote in how that company is run. So why do companies sell stock? Companies sell stock to raise money so they can do things like hire more people, purchase more equipment, or create new products to sell, with the goal of growing the company and making your stock worth more than it was when you purchased it. You might be wondering, how do stock prices change, and which companies will go up in value and which ones will go down? Typically, if a company is getting good news and more people want to buy shares of that company, the price will tend to go up. On the other hand, if the company is getting bad news and more people are trying to sell the stock of that company, the price will tend to go down. To help you better predict which companies will do well, let's take a look at how stock prices work. For our example, let's take a look at Apple Computers. The first thing we need to do is figure out the symbol for Apple Computers. I'm using the Google Finance website to help me with this, but there are other websites that do the same thing. As I type the name of the company, I can see from the suggestions that the symbol for Apple is AAPL. Let's click on it and take a look. As you can see, the price of one share of Apple stock today is $155.94. I can see that at this moment, the price per share has gone up $2. This means, had I purchased a share of Apple stock yesterday at $153.96, that share would now be worth $2.02 more than I paid for it. And as you can see, it's changing by a couple cents as we're sitting here watching it. The range tells us how low and how high the price of Apple stock has gone today. The 52-week range shows me how high and how low the price of one share of Apple stock has gone within the past 52 weeks or 1 year. As you can see right now, Apple is trading at nearly $156, which puts it almost as high as it's been in the past year. If you had purchased a share of Apple stock at its lowest point, $89.47, you would have already made more than $60 for every share of Apple stock you purchased, which would have been good news for you. I can use this information along with the news for Apple Computers to help me predict if this is a stock that will go up in value that I might want to invest in, or if this is a stock to avoid or to sell shares that I've already purchased in the past. Let's review what we've learned about the stock market. Some companies sell stock to raise money so they can grow their company. People can buy shares of this stock in the hope that the company will grow and the stock will be worth more than they paid for it. If a company is doing well and the price goes up, your share is worth more. If the company is not doing well and the price goes down, your share is worth less than you paid for it. In order to do well in the stock market, you must use the information available to you to predict which companies will do well and which companies will do poorly.